Hi there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 61 plate Peugeot Elddis 2.2 diesel turbo Aspire motorhome, 4 berth with the end layout, a fixed double bed and washroom, awning on the top, fully retractable, with a satellite dome and solar panel on the top there. Tow-bar fitted and reversing camera. Just taps for the water, for the gas. Just done over 20,500 miles. Which is barely anything at all for a motorhome of its age. It's absolutely immaculate inside. It's retractable step as well. It's out at the moment. The door, blinds there. Double bed. Sofas, which also fold out into 2 small single beds or 1 full-size double. Oven, microwave, gas and electric on the stove. Fridge and freezer onto the inside of the washroom. Shower, sink and toilet. More storage here with the servicing stickers and a table out there. You also have telly in this back end with a skybox. It's an absolutely superb motorhome, really well looked after. It's got extractor fans, 2 windows, curtains on all parts, which work super easy. Retract, that just clicks in. So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you now. Bye.